Dear student, in previous class we have discussed about plant taxonomy and different concept of plant taxonomy. Today we will discuss on the concept of species, concept of genus, and importance of species and importance of concept genus for the taxonomical purposes. Okay, and then we are going to start द मॉर्फोलॉजिकल स्पीसीज कंसेप्ट. स्पीसीज कंसेप्ट किसको बोलते हैं, जाति संकल्पना किसको बोलते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जॉन रे इज प्रोपोनेट द वर्ड स्पीसीज एंड उसने डिस्क्राइब किया स्पीसीज आर द स्मॉलेस्ट ग्रुप ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म. इट कैन बी either plant or animal or different type of living organism. Species is the smallest group of organism which can be consistently differentiated using morphological character. Means आकार की तौर पर कुछ न कुछ उसमें विविधताएं पाई जाती है, या इसको इस छोटी से छोटी डेफिनेशन के फॉर्म में अपन इस तरह से डिस्क्राइब किया जा सकता है कि स्पीसीज या जाति वो छोटा से छोटा समूह या ग्रुप है जो आपस में इंटरब्रीडेबल है, आपस में जन्म कर सकते हैं, है ना. द कंसेप्ट इज वाइडली यूज अमोंग टैक्सोनॉमिस्ट एज इट्स मोस्ट प्रैक्टिकल वर्ड. मार्फोलॉजिकली भी देखने में आकार की तौर पे बाहरी आउटर शेप एंड साइज में भी सम वेरिएशंस होगा, और एक जैसे सिमिलर कैरेक्टर के बेस वाले सब सिंगल स्पीसीज कहलाती है. देन बायोलॉजिकल कंसेप्ट ऑफ स्पीसीज. द प्रीवियस कंसेप्ट वाज मॉर्फोलॉजिकल कंसेप्ट एंड दिस इज द बायोलॉजिकल कंसेप्ट ऑफ स्पीसीज इज यूजिंग ओनली reproductive biology to define the species. Population group which is able to breed, this is keyword for the definition of species, but prevented from gene exchange with population of other species. This is called a species. Cannot be used or self-pollinated species or asexually reproduced species which do not undergo crossing. क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन जिसमें नहीं होता है और सेल्फ रिप्रोड्यूस होती है, सेल्फ हाइब्रिड सेल्फ ब्रीडिंग होती है, उसको स्पीसीज कहेंगे. देन क्लासिफिकेशन का क्राइटेरिया. देयर आर 3 टाइप ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन ऑन द टैक्सोनॉमिकल सिस्टम. आर्टिफिशियल टाइप ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन, नेचुरल टाइप ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन and phylogenetic type of classification. And there was also the age of classification before 300 BC to 1735 AD, and that was artificial type of classification that was mostly based on the morphological characters on the basis of morphological character, just like herb, shrub, underherb and trees. That was totally artificial type of method and first introducing method. Either we can say this is the founder blocks of botanical taxonomy. Then there was a natural classification. The age of natural classification was 1600 to 1883 AD. That was real means of classification. Means in this classification the reproductive characters and the floral characters are mostly used. So many classification are given in that natural type of classification, but most popular classification that was propagated in the natural type of classification was Bentham and Hooker classification. This is also called a synthetic type of classification because natural character or floral character, either reproductive characters are also involved in this type of classification. That's why it is called natural type of classification. In other hand, we can discuss that linear classification was on the basis of the number of endosym present in just like monoandria, diandria, triandria, tetraandria and so on. Either in other hand, The phylogenetic classification, which the age of phylogenetic classification is 1883 to now a day. It is also means this classification is also correlated its phylogeny and its evolution of the species, and it also correlate the evolution of genera from its evolutionary history. This is also called this is called phylogenetic classification. So many workers has given the phylogenetic type of classification. Classification system, artificial classification system based on the growth, habit and usage of the plant, just like medicinal plants, just like signature doctrine of signature, some concept which was propagated by the habit and usage of the morphological, just like अपन बादाम की बात करते हैं, बादाम आँख की शेप की होती है, मीन्स आई शेप की होती है, तो दैट इज दिस इज कॉल्ड सिग्नेचर, डॉक्टराइन ऑफ सिग्नेचर. जस्ट लाइक काजू की बात करते हैं, काजू कितने के शेप की होती है, तो दिस इज बिलीव दैट द काजू इज यूजफुल फॉर किडनी. And the primitive system, it is very much primitive system. This is propagated by Theophrastus, Dioscorea and Greece. This is started from 300 BC to 1580. Mechanical type of system, it was based on one or few chosen character selectively, just like Cecil Pinio, Andrea Cecil Pinio, Gaspard Bohin and Linnaeus. Natural type of classification based on many characters. So many workers has given this type of classification. This is Adamson's and D. Condole, Bentham and Hooker's, and phylogenetic classification based on the many character which are evolutionary character, interrelated character, and that shows its evolutionary history, just like Engler and Printley, Basse, Hutchinson's, Thorne, and so many workers have given this type of classification. The goal of plant taxonomy is just to identify, first mean to identify, second mean to description, third mean to nomenclature, and fourth mean to classification. And nowadays it is converted into systematics, and systematics call also include the point which is called documentation. The documentation and phylogenetic information are also include in there, that is called systematics. First we are discussing on the identification. Identification mean to determination of the identity of unknown plant by comparison with previously collected plant species or herbarium, or with the aid of book which is called flora and manuals of the identifications. Once a plant specimen has been identified, its name and properties are known, and that is fixed in the form of herbarium. Identification of the plant species is mostly difficult part of plant taxonomy. How to determine belonging to one species to any taxonomic group. Identification is directly related with the description. Just like there are accessory parts and necessary part, flower part, inflorescence part, leaf, stem, and structure of morphology is also correlated. Node and internode and different type of root species, root of the species are also useful. Just like nomenclature की बात करते हैं, nomenclature is also important in the order to provide correct name of the plant. The nomenclature, yeah, naming activity is under the control of International Coding for Botanical Nomenclature, which is called ICBN. ICBN published by the International Association of the Plant Taxonomy, IAPT. The code are revised at every International Botanical Congress. Okay.